Cache Giraffe ads not loading usually happens when the app loses connection to AD networks because of blocked permissions, unstable internet routing, or system-level restrictions, like VPNs and data saver settings. By the end, you'll know how to fix Cache Giraffe ads not loading, so offer videos and reward ads start working again without constant buffering or empty screens. First thing to check is your internet connection. Cache Giraffe relies on third-party AD networks, and even small connection drops can stop ads from appearing. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen the app to force a fresh connection. Next, turn off anything that can interfere with ad loading. This includes VPNs, private DNs, and ad blockers. These tools often block the exact ad servers Cache Giraffe needs, which results in blank reward screens or infinite loading. After that, check data saver settings on your phone. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Data Saver, and make sure Cache Giraffe is allowed unrestricted data access. If Data Saver is on, it can silently block video ads from loading, even when the app opens normally. Then check background data permissions. Go to Settings Apps, Cache Giraffe, Mobile Data, and enable background data. Without this, ads may fail to initialize properly when you open reward sections. If ads still aren't loading, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Cache Giraffe, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes corrupted temporary files that often break ad playback or prevent ad networks from syncing. Next, force stop the app and reopen it. This resets the current ad session and forces Cache Giraffe to reconnect to available ad providers instead of staying stuck on a failed request. If the problem continues, restart your phone. This resets system-level network services that ad networks depend on, especially after updates or long uptime periods. Also make sure Google Play Services is updated. Cache Giraffe uses it to verify and load ads, and outdated versions can cause empty ad screens or missing reward videos. If nothing works, reinstall the app and log back in using the same account. This rebuilds all ad network connections from scratch and clears any broken configuration files. Cache Giraffe ads not loading is almost always caused by blocked ad traffic, restricted data settings, or corrupted cache files. Fixing those three areas restores normal ad loading in most cases. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fixes for Cache Giraffe and reward app issues.